Hi kids, welcome to Easy Drawing for Kids. Today we are drawing baby chick. Are you ready? Just grab pen, pencil or a crayon. I'm gonna use my marker so you can see better in this video. We are going to start by drawing a circle like this. Now we are going to add a dot. Now just connect that dot by drawing straight line across. Put another dot right here and we are gonna draw a semicircle. Draw big U semicircle. Don't just stop, go little bit further and stop. Add another dot and join it. Add another dot right here and join it. Now add a circle for an eye. Fill it up with the black crayon or a marker. For beak, we are gonna draw a tiny triangle. Just like this. For comb, we are gonna draw two tiny triangles. For wing, we are gonna draw a straight line across and a curve. Now for feet, we are gonna draw one line down and three tiny lines poking out. We are gonna draw the same way other side. Good job kids! Our baby chick is all ready to color. Are you ready? Let's add colors. I'm gonna use my yellow color. I'm going kind of fast because this is fast forward. But you can pause and take your time. Orange color for the beak and the comb. Our baby chick is all ready to fly. See you later, baby chick. Thanks for following along Easy Drawings for Kids. Click on the next video for another fun drawing. Be sure to subscribe to all of our new videos coming up. Thanks and see you again soon.